Who doesn't love Italian food? Ciao, my name is Rosa and I'm an Italian lifestyle consultant. Today I'm here in the kitchen of Farmers from Italy Foods and I'm going to cook a Neapolitan recipe, spaghetti allo Scarpariello. What we need for this recipe: the viaggio spaghetti, the cherry tomatoes, half a cup of parmigiano and half a cup of pecorino, some garlic, basil. We're going to boil 4 cups of water and we're going to use half of the box. Then 1 can of cherry tomatoes. We need some extra virgin oil, 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to add the tomatoes. Please don't use too much salt because the parmigiano and the pecorino are 2 cheeses that contain lots of salt, so you don't want to overdo. And here you go, spaghetti allo Scarpariello. And be sure to leave a like, follow our social media, subscribe for more videos, and check our website for more recipes, farmersfromitaly.com.